just stopped here to admire the view after having one of the best coffees of my life. I was at a small village called Baan La-Oob, which is perched right along a mountain ridge here in Mae Hong Son. The coffee shop sat 3 stories high at the very top of the hill, giving incredible views over the quaint houses and the surrounding mountainside. It was a phenomenal place to just sit, sip, and reflect. As I began heading down, I felt compelled to stop and admire yet more of these breathtaking panoramas over the lower valleys. Views like these are strewn throughout Mae Hong Son, and as you can see, the dry season has been in effect for some time, changing the landscape completely. So welcome to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the video. I'm Scott Ryder, and in this video I'm taking you on a short, uncut journey down from this remote village, ending up at a nerve-wracking climb to Kaew Komon Cave near Mae La-Noi, one of my absolute favourite places in all of Thailand. The road to get up here was a proper challenge for my street triple. Seasonal landslides and classic Thai tarmac conditions always threw a few curveballs at the stiff suspension of my sports naked, but it's nothing she couldn't handle. I shot this back in February during a long weekend escape to Mae Chiang. I was dying to get out of the city, ride my bike, and soak up the authentic atmosphere of the less travelled parts of northern Thailand. Now, you might notice this is the first video I've posted in a while. Since that February trip, actually. To be honest, at the end of that weekend, I found out I had somehow failed to record the bike audio for the majority of my rides. I was so upset about losing this that I ended up walking away from editing for a while. But I missed making these videos, and I still have a ton of amazing footage left from this trip. Since I'm relying purely on my camera's microphones, I thought I'd jump on here and narrate the journey for you. Oh, this place is stunning. I should have come here earlier. I would have liked to come here earlier, you know, before the hot season kind of decimated the land with dryness. But you know, wasn't able to make it happen, unfortunately. I really enjoy putting these videos together, but they do take a lot of time. My next video might not be for a little while. Next month, I'm actually leaving Thailand to take a 1,000-mile road trip through Vietnam. I'll be starting in Ho Chi Minh and riding a motorbike through the mountains and along the coast, all the way to Hanoi. So as I'm getting ready for my trip to Vietnam, I do not have too much time to make more videos since there's a lot of preparation that I need to do here in Thailand and to get ready for that trip. So if you want to see how it goes, please consider subscribing. When it comes to this channel, I really want to keep it authentic to myself. I don't want to just copy the usual YouTuber trends that are purely geared towards engagement. I want an audience that enjoys the kind of videos that I want to make. I know I have a load to learn to make these more entertaining, but I'm doing this out of passion, so I'm always open to feedback and ideas. Rome wasn't built in a day, as they say, though that does imply my channel will be as big as Rome, which, well, you get what I'm saying. You may have seen the cows on the road at the beginning of the video, and lots of patches of spotty tarmac. Now combine that with all the landslides, the dust on the road, and tight corners. It's not exactly the best road for pushing it, especially I don't even know how far away the nearest hospital is. So every now and then I get a moment where I'm able to open it up a little bit on this windy road. For the most part, you have to take it pretty cautiously. Speaking of beautiful sights, look at this valley opening up. I'm so passionate about bringing these places to everyone who views my channel. I just love being able to share the incredible scenery of northern Thailand. You'll see me turning off the main road now, headed out this side track, right into the rice paddies at the bottom of the valley. From here, I'm just going to let the views speak for themselves. Yeah, so as you see, I'm not afraid to take my street triple into relatively uncertain terrain. These motorbikes, motorbikes in general, are a lot more capable than people think they are. And while obviously this is a more interesting path for such a bike, I've slowed it down, I'm taking it steady, I'm maintaining control, right? So, yeah, we're gonna see it get even hairier in just a moment as we have the sharpest incline I've ever ridden on a motorbike. There's a couple more around in northern Thailand, as you might imagine, that are pretty savagely steep, but this one is about 2 miles and it takes us right to the top of the mountain in front of me. At the top is a very beautiful cave, and in classic Scott Ryder fashion, I did not get any video footage inside the cave. I know, I suck at this, I'm not very good at YouTubing, I'm sorry, but the motorbiking footage I have. So beautiful. Stunning view over the rice paddies from the other side. A couple of other tourists enjoying the scene. I must come back here at the end of the wet season, once the skies are dry, the leaves are at their greenest. So let's park up and let's buy a ticket for the cave. I just thought I would film this as we ride to the cave. He said it's 2 kilometers, so and it looks pretty special, actually, this place. It's pretty rural. Kaew Komon, I think that's the one. Kaew Komon. Don't know what language that was. Look where we are, bro. It's not every day you find yourself in a place like this. That church there actually had Thai and Burmese writing, so it tells you a little bit about the community in this extremely secluded hilltop village. And we're about to go up this steep incline here. I'm not sure how steep. I would say probably fucking steep, and you can see that from how quickly it falls away behind us. You can hear even my motorbike with 110 horsepower sounding fairly strained in the low gears, muscling its way up the mountainside. Well, it's a good thing I do have all that power, because it's about to get steeper still. not a place you would like to be traveling to in the wet season. As you can see, the road is not the best. It's pretty narrow, it's very dusty, and it's covered in leaves. So all of that, including the incline, which is now blatantly clear, makes for fairly hazardous roads at the best of times. So ensure your vehicle has the power that you need to get up a road like this, and make sure that the conditions are not so bad that you'll make it up there safely. As we arrive here, I just want to say thanks again for watching. I'm going to have more videos to come. I'm going to get back into the rhythm of it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, so we can discuss anything that you thought about the video, any thoughts you had. And yeah, leave a like. See you next time.